They also want access to draft legislation. Before, say, a new law on like littering or smoking is passed, the citizens want to take a look at it. You know, it might just, somebody might be a smoker and he's offended by it. You know, he wants to be able to smoke still. If the government passes the law saying we are outlawing smoking from tomorrow, you're going to be handcuffed in bars for lighting a cigarette, the guy wants to at least make a comment and, you know, make his case to the government. So they want access to draft legislation. Then there is Hansard debate. The Hansard, that's a parliamentary term, but Hansard is essentially everything that goes on in parliament. Like you sometimes see on television, the speaker banging on the desk with a gavel and somebody standing up and making a question. And so it is just a verbatim report of everything that goes on in parliament. It is like if I shout hello and something, you know, even that gets recorded as an answer. MP Mr. X shouted out of 10 something, you know. And like when they debate bills or new amendments.